Take the other one off, or is it
yes, carefully.
Yeah,
so
go very slow.
Need to hold the
someone needs to hold this, right?
Yeah, the spindle's gonna come. There you go. Grant, thank you.
You're supposed to take that off?
All right.
Yes. Be very careful.
Yeah, it doesn't hit you in the head.
Look at those shiny, colorful springs.
You gotta get the other nut out of there first. Dan.
No, yeah.
Are we gonna need a zip tie or something to hold this?
You know, we could put the nut on there like half a thread so we don't die.
Ooh.
For that one?
Safety third.
Safety is third, but
This thing's gonna be hanging by the brake line. We should.
well, we're gonna undo the brake line too.
Oh, that'll be.
Yeah, because we gotta pull the whole thing off.
So I should do it.
Undo it, yeah. Peter, the whole thing's gotta come apart, buddy.
Bobby, what size is the brake line?
You're gonna need a line wrench. There it goes. I think it's 7/16. All right, now take your other nut off and let it ride.
All right. Should we?
I didn't buy brake lines.
Should we let it go, or?
You don't need new brake lines. Yeah, you got the other nut off?
Hold on.
Yeah, you might want to use the impact on it.
Is it a new brake line on so they can take it apart?
Yeah, they're flare. They're
I'll go buy them.
they're flare. You don't need to buy them. Those are new still, right? Or do you want? You
I don't know
know,
how new they are, but they're.
We
We
can-
there when I bought the car.
they're cheap. They're like $8. So just
Why don't I just put new ones in?
you want me to just order them?
If you're taking it apart, yeah.
I'll order you some. Front brake lines for Peter. We'll have them by next week.
I mean, you can take it off. Why not? Just,
Yeah, we'll just get you a
just change
freshie.
it. You know, straight down. But you don't want to break it because it will spin it all over the place. Don't break it.
Well, that's what I'm
You can
wondering.
let it go. Sir.
It's right here. Grant, this is what you want to
I'm
unhook.
kind of a little
Right here.
confused about what we're gonna do with this thing.
We're unhooking brake hard lines, and then the whole thing it'll pop right off.
Should we do
All right.
that before we break this loose?
I got it.
Yeah, Grant's gonna pop the brake line, but yeah, you guys could go ahead and undo that. It'll
Brake line, they're going to check.
yeah, we'll put stuff under it. It'll be okay.
So let's let him do this.
It'll be all
There's a
right.
screw holds this up, so
Oh, there is.
if you let
Okay.
it go, it should.
There you go.
I mean, not this side.
You got the nut off of it.
Yeah. No, let it go. a second. Let it go. A second.
Okay.
Let go.
Let it go a second. That might get under. Let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, there's still a screw here. I understand.
That's it.
It should be locked in, Grant,
No, I just want to get them on both sides.
just to be safe. Look at you.
Don't fuck with it.
Yeah, yeah, we should undo the brake line first.
Then I got to put on bitch mittens.
There's one right by the floor with a big light.
Yes.
You
Yeah. I don't.
That's a lovely rag, Mike.
Well, I figured it's a good rag for brake fluid. Taking the brake line.
5'8".
We got these guys holding this
Oh,
up.
there you go.
Oh yeah. Hold on,
These guys are break.
guys. Grant. Let's try this side first.
Because I have to.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just size the things first.
5/8 and 3/8, I think. I can actually pop it. Give me the 3/8 and I can pop it.
Should we get a bucket or something? Or?
We're gonna need a little tray.
We could use this thing, huh?
Hold on. Hold on, boys.
You need a light. I gotta.
No, I can do this by braille.
And now.
Fuck it, come off.
Well, this
Dripping
wheel
now.
cylinders. We probably should do those too.
Well, we'll check all that while
Yeah.
we're out. Okay. And then once this is undone, somebody take some pliers and pull that clippy out, and then that line will come off. Okay.
There should be some pliers in that trash top over there.
The lid, the trash lid.
Pliers. Perfect little pliers.
Like these?
That clippy. Filming. Motherfucker. Mother.
Yeah. I can see it pretty well if you want me
Yeah,
to see
I
it.
got. Oh, I'm using my left
You
hand.
just want a normal wrench at this point?
No, because I don't want to risk rounding it off.
Yeah.
Because I don't feel like replacing brake hard lines on Peter's car too.
Aw. Thunderbird.
Might make more work. Please.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
It's not moving.
No,
You
it's
missed.
just I got it. Yeah, I'm a little beyond
You're
under.
fucked.
Yeah.
Let's get the radius arm. The nuts for the radius arm, we need to keep those. Those don't go.
Where'd they go?
The ones that we just.
Took off?
Yeah.
Biggie.
That 15/16 one.
Yeah.
Oh. They might be on the ground here still.
Because we need to put it back on the radius arm. Oh, it's out.
Save a little bit. That's all right.
Alright, you guys getting that?